Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing stale bread because it dries faster and makes crisp crumbs. Tear or cut into 1/2 to 1 inch cubes so they toast evenly. Uneven pieces leave chewy spots. Once cut, spread a single layer on parchment to allow hot air circulation and prevent burning. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. This low temperature dries rather than browns quickly. Make sure to check after 10 minutes since ovens vary. Flip pieces for uniform drying. You're already setting the foundation for consistent crumbs. Now you move from prepping to controlled toasting. Place the tray in the middle rack and bake for about 15-25 minutes, stirring every 5-7 minutes so edges don't overcook. You want pale golden, uniformly dry pieces. If they brown, you've gone too long. If they're soft inside, return to the oven. Once the pieces are dry, transfer them to a cooling rack to let residual steam escape. Cooling is critical because warm bread will create clumps when processed. Make sure crumbs are room temperature before the next step. Finish by pulsing cooled cubes in a food processor to your preferred texture. Short pulses make coarse crumbs, longer pulses make fine. If you need superfine crumbs, sift and retoast any large bits for uniformity. Once processed, taste, and if necessary, return crumbs to the oven for 3-5 minutes to toast any retained moisture. Store in an airtight jar at room temperature up to 2 weeks or freeze for months. Troubleshooting tip: if crumbs clump, they weren't fully dry, dry them longer at a lower temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.